Are our teachers really using their interactive flat panels to its full potential? Do we still switch between the apps just to make the class a little better? This looks familiar, right? A regular whiteboard app. You can write, draw, maybe use a few shapes. Simple, but is this what the future of teaching should look like? For example, this is the frontal lobe. But if I want to show the cerebellum, we do have to stop teaching and go for search online. But what if we could bring the actual brain into a classroom? That's what Tutor is made for. Tutor is the world's first AR-enabled 3D whiteboard app, the world's largest collection of 3D teaching aids aligned to 25 plus curricula. Do you want to teach in the old way or the new Tutor way? Here is a tree. How do we measure its height? If it's near, a tape works. But if it's far, let's use trigonometry. I used to hate trigonometry in class, but when students see it like this, suddenly maths becomes interesting. Some might say we can do this with Google Images, but look closer. Here the pancreas is in front. In reality, it's behind. A right visual can replace 5 rounds of explanation. Let's go deeper. Here is an electric motor. Can you see the smooth animation? But how does this work? Let's ask our AI master. Our AI master instantly brings the best 3D and 2D visuals, curated videos, and clear explanations, all structured and editable. Now, this is how we make complex topics into simple lesson plans. After the lesson, just start a quick MCQ quiz. No extra apps, just instant feedback. And when a student asks a sudden doubt, simply circle the keyword. The AI master finds the perfect 3D model instantly. It even works on websites and documents. You also have a small AI-based chatbot which you can keep open for quick answers. Use our exclusive screen analyzer feature to convert your existing teaching materials to interactive lesson plans. Now, imagine the joy in a kindergarten class when I bring this eagle between them. So, what do you think? From whiteboard to AI-powered learning, Tutor transforms every interactive flat panels into a future-ready classrooms.